Hello guys, I hope you've been happy, amazing and positive. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this look for New Year's Eve celebrations. As I was looking through for inspirations on Pinterest and Google, I noticed there was a lot of golds and browns and things like that. So I thought I'd switch it up a little bit and do some color. This look can go with absolutely anything. It is so easy to create, so I really hope that you enjoy. Hey guys, so I've already gone in with my foundation, primer, concealer, and I've done my eyebrows as well. I'm going to go in with these three shades. Start with the lightest shade first and work your way up to the darkest shade. This will ensure that you have a nice transition and a very nice blended look. This is the key. Blending is the key for this look. By the way, I'm so sorry about my eyebrows. I literally haven't done them in like 4 months. Okay, so just keep blending. Make sure you're getting product in the inner corner of the eye as well, because that's what's going to create that halo effect. Now I'm going to grab this brush. It's a lot flatter. This is so that I can use to pack more product in, which makes it more defined and makes it pop out more. If you're using the blending brush to continuously add product, it's just going to be a hot mess and your blending is going to go up towards the arch of your eyebrow, which is not what you want at all. Then just keep getting your blending brush and blend until you have that nice effect. Another thing with harsh lines, this is an absolute no-go. This look cannot be patchy at all. Now I'm grabbing this beautiful dark pink color, packing that on with that brush and just really taking my time and looking at where I want the product and just sort of flick it out and sort of shape it into what you want. And then once again, blending. So this is what it's supposed to look like a really nice transition effect. Now I'm grabbing this beautiful purple color and going in with that in sort of the lid, only the lid, not above where you've done all the blending. This is because I realized I needed to go a little bit darker as it is New Year's night. So you want to give that nighttime look as well. You don't want it too daytime looking. Blend that into the blending that you've done on top. Please give me $1 every time I say blend. I'll be a very, very rich woman. This is where it gets a little trickier. Grab your concealer brush, preferably if you have a nice and thin concealer brush. This would really help you out. And create sort of like an arch on the middle of your lid. That's where the shimmer is going to go. And that's where when someone looks at you, that's what's going to really pop. So make sure the lines are really nice. It doesn't go too much in the blended area. This is sort of what it's supposed to look like. So now get whatever shade of shimmer that you want. Over here, I'm using a light pink so that when my final shade goes on, it's got that metallic tinge to it. Use your finger to place the product onto your eyelid, because when you use a brush, it doesn't stick as properly. So when you use your finger, you can really see that pigment and that shine. Now I'm going in with this purple from my Morphe palette, which is such a beautiful color. You'll find that there will be a couple of harsh lines where the concealer was. So what I've done is I've just grabbed that purple that I used originally and I'm just blending that in to give it more of a flawless finish. My favorite part, the eyeliner. I am so sick of blending. Look, you don't have to do eyeliner if you don't want to, but as it's New Year's Eve, you better know that I am going in with that drama and that full glam. So now I'm just going to clean up any mistakes that I've made or any over blending that I've done with some concealer. This is really good just to sharpen those edges and make it really nice and defined. How can it be a complete look without doing that lower lash line? So I've gone in with some of that pink and the purple and just smudging that out and making it look nice and blended once again. And this will just really make the eye look so complete. Usually I don't add black eyeliner to my waterline, but this time I thought, why not make it look a little bit more dramatic? And then just go in, curl your lashes, do your mascara. I don't wear any false lashes. I just find them really uncomfortable. So you can go ahead and put false lashes on if you want. And now I'm just going to go in with the inner corner of my eye and just add a little bit of highlight for that extra pop. This is roughly what it's supposed to look like. I mean, by no means does it have to look like this. Now I'm going to go in with the other eye. I'll see you in a sec. Ta-da! This is what it looks like. I hope you like it. I've also finished this look off with a pop of color to my lips. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to wish you guys a very happy new year. Please stay safe. Have a beautiful New Year's Eve with your family, friends, loved ones. I just wanted to say that coming back to YouTube has really made me so happy. I feel like I'm actually following my passion, which is truly, truly a blessing. So thank you so much, and I will see you in 2020. Bye.